Morning, students. I hope you all are good. This is your GK teacher, Monica. So, today we are going to learn about our chapter number 12, Analogy. So, what is analogy? Analogy is a term that means word relationship. So, please watch this video with full dedication because in the end you have to solve the exercise given in your book. And later onwards, just send it to me on WhatsApp. Thank you. So, students, our chapter number 12, Analogies. So, what is an analogy? An analogy is a term that means word relationships. It always contains two pairs of words. In other words, an analogy shows the similarities and relationships between pairs of words. I know a question arises in your mind: what is the need of solving analogies? Students, completing or solving analogies helps you to develop critical thinking skills. Let us consider this example. A doctor is to hospital as teacher is to school. This can also be written as doctor colon hospital double colon teacher colon school. So what relationship can be established between these two? Doctor colon hospital. A doctor works in a hospital. It means hospital is a working place for a doctor. Hence, doctor hospital has worker and working place relationship. Now, teacher colon school. A teacher works in a school. It means school is the working place for a teacher. Hence, teacher colon school has worker and working place relationship. Now, what are the common types of analogy? First one, synonymous relationship. This type of relationship is established between two words that convey the same meaning. Example, charming has the same meaning as beautiful and gracious has the same meaning as kind. Example, elegant, luxurious, shiny has the same meaning as bright. Now, second one, antonymous relationship. This type of relationship is established between two words that are opposite in meaning. Example, meet, avoid, never, always. Second one, deep, shallow. Opposite of harsh is gentle. Now, third one, worker and tool relationship. When one word of the pair represents the working individuals and other word of the pair is the tool used for their working. Example, tailor, needle. Tailor stitches the clothes with the help of needle and author writes on the paper with the help of pen. So, author, pen. Now, second one, doctor uses stethoscope to listen heartbeat and carpenter uses hammer to make furniture. Now, fourth one, worker and working place relationship. When one word of the pair represents the working individual and the other word of the pair indicates their working place. Examples, scientist works in laboratory, waiter works in restaurant, actor, stage, chefs works in kitchen, lawyer, court and farmer, field. Now, fifth one, part and whole relationship. When one word of the pair represents a single part of the whole object given in other word of the pair. Students, understand this with the help of examples. First one, blade, fan. Blade is a part of fan. Pedal, bicycle. Room is a part of house. Now, chapter is a part of book. Third one, needle, clock and arc is a part of whole circle. Sixth one, animal object and sound relationship. When one word of the pair represents the sound produced by the animal object given in the other word of the pair. Example, as we all know, lion, roars, dog, bark, hen, crackle, drum, beat, frog, croak, bee, hum. Seventh one, purpose relationship. When one word of the pair represents the purpose of its pair. Examples, students, we see with the help of our eyes. Eye, see. We smell with the help of our nose. Nose, smell. Saw, cut. Hammer, pound. Clock, time. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. So thermometer, temperature. Eighth one, cause and effect relationship. When one word of the pair tells the cause and other pair tells the effect. Examples: impact of earthquake causes tsunami. Heavy rain causes flood. Tired, sleep. Tiredness can make you sleep, and when you are hungry, you tend to eat. Hungry, eat. Third one, heat, dry, water, wet. Ninth one, place relationship. When one word of the pair tells the location of a certain place. Example: Tokyo, Japan. Washington is in USA. Manila is in Philippines and Sydney is in Australia. Students, these examples shows the analogy between place and their location. Now last one, individual and group relationship. When one word of the pair is the collective group of another word of the pair. Example: group of sheep refers to flock and group of bees refers to swarm. Group of musicians refers to band and group of soldiers refers to army. Group of flowers refers to bouquet and group of people refers to crowd. Now students, it's time to solve the exercises given in your book. Question 1. Complete the analogies given below by ticking the right word. Now first one. Green is to go as red is to stop, tomato, post box. Have you all seen traffic light? Green is to go and red is to stop. So answer is stop. Second one. Day is to month as minute is to year, hour, watch. Answer is hour. Third one. Word is used to sentence as page is used to line, paragraph or book. Answer is book. Fourth one. 3 is to triangle as 4 is to sides, rectangle, oval. Triangle has 3 sides and rectangle has 4 sides. I hope you got the answer. Answer is rectangle. Fifth one. Eye is to sight as skin is to hand, foot or touch. Students, could you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is touch. Sixth one. Racket is to tennis as stick is to leaf, hockey or bent. Answer is play hockey with the help of stick. Now seventh one. Pacific is to ocean as Himalayas are to mountain range, mountain peak or hill. Students, answer is mountain range. Eighth one. Tire is to car as wheel is to, options are cart, turn, round. Answer is cart. Finger is to hand as toe is to, options are leg, foot, 10. Toe refers to foot. Answer is foot. 10th one. Easy is to difficult as now is to later, recent, immediately. Answer is later. 11th. Hot is to warm as cold is to freezing, frozen or cool. I know you got the answer, students. Answer is cool. 12th one. Give is to receive and save is to spend, earn, take. Answer is spend. 13th. Scissors are to cut as ruler is to, options are centimeters, wooden, measure. Students, ruler is to measure. 14th. Artist is to painting as baker is to cake, bakery or oven. This is very simple. Answer is cake. 15th. Wheel is to circle as a pyramid is to square, rectangle or triangle. Students, wheel has the shape of circle and pyramid has the shape of Triangle. Answer is triangle. 16th, Labrador is to dog as emu is to fly, bird or pet. Students, the emu is the second largest living bird by height after its ratati's relative, the ostrich. Answer is bird. 17th, referee is to football as umpire is to cricket, whistle or score. Answer is cricket. 18th, right is to road as flow is to flown, flew or flowed. Answer is flow is to flowed. 19th, huge is to tiny as frown is to anger, irritation or smile. Students, here opposite analogy is given. Opposite of huge is tiny and opposite of frown is smile. 20. Smart is to tramps as flow is to low, woof or wolf. Answer is wolf. Students, here reverse analogy is given. While reversing the word smart, we get tramps, and while reversing the word flow, we get wolf. 21th, cat is to kitten as lion is to cub, pup or baby. Baby of cat is kitten and baby of lion is called as cub. Answer is cub. Last one. Capital letter is to beginning as full stop is to punctuation, end, sentence. Answer is end. Now students, you have to do this exercise in your book, and after completing it, just send it to me on WhatsApp. Now students, time for current affairs. Question 1. Which Republic Day is this year 2021? 71 or 72? Answer is India has celebrated its 72 Republic Day on January 26. Question 2. Who becomes India's first telecom company to operate 5G network? Answer is Bharti Airtel announced on January 28, 2021 that it has become the country's first telecom operator to successfully demonstrate live 5th generation 5G service over a commercial network in Hyderabad city. Thank you, students.